everyone, I am back. Now, I have just had a crafting session and I just wanted to show you the mess of my craft room. Look, it is just a flipping mess. Look at my desk, look at my floor, look at my baskets everywhere, and everything is just, look, there's piles down there, there's piles down there. There's all of this here. I do not know what happens. Honestly, I try to be tidy, but when I start crafting, it just all goes to pot. It really does. I mean, it's just a big mess. So I'm going to transform my craft room. So I thought I would take a before and then show you it afterwards. So wish me luck. I will be back. I don't want to bore you with filming it all because I might be here for a little while. So I will be back later and hopefully all of this mess will be cleared up and I will have a bit more organisation in here. So I shall see you all in a couple of hours. Right, so it is about an hour and a half later and look at the difference. I have cleared up all my floor. My desk is tidy apart from one few bits there to sort out. I've tidied up that corner. My floor is nice and tidy. I have done all of my sides and all of my floor is now but I'm going to put a rascog there in a minute and I'll show you. So I have had a tidy up. I've had a bit of a sort out. I've sorted that corner out up here. This corner here I've sorted out. I've sorted out a few things on my shelf. I'll step back so you can see. So my shelves are a bit more organised. Definitely these corners are a lot tidier. I mean, this is going to go in a minute, so this will be my desk, so I'll have a lot more space and Charlie will have a lot more space to lay. So yes, that's an hour and a half later. Oh, I need to put my picture back, my gorgeous thing that Joanne did for me. That has a pride of place there. So there are a lot of boxes that I still need sorting out, but at least it looks a bit better. I've sorted out some things up there and on the top there as well. So my next job, I have got a next job. I have a rascog, which let me just pause it and I'll show you it. Right, so this is my rascog that was downstairs. So I've brought it up here because I've had an idea for it. I was going to use it downstairs and put a load of things in there so that I didn't have to keep coming up downstairs if I was doing some crafting down there, but really it's pointless. I should have it here. And what I thought I would do is put all of my planner journaling things in here, you know, like happy planner and, you know, stickers, project life cards, things like that, because at the moment they're in drawers and in this cupboard here. Let me just open this up. I mean, look at this. Look, this is my planner cupboard, and as you can see so I thought what I would do is bring some of it out and put it into my rascog so that I'm more likely to use it. So that is my next job that I plan on doing today. So see this rascog now. Hello, Lewis. And we're going to transform this so that I can, you know, have things at hand so that if I want to plan and journal, I can do that. I mean, not junk, you know, junk journaling, but more, you know, like TNs and things like that. So I'll show you when I'm done. So I'll be back again in another hour or so. And so at least we'll get something else done today. So there's no point doing these things if we're not going to be productive. So that's what I plan on doing. So I shall see you all in a bit. Right, I am back. I have finished doing my rascog. So let me just show you. My desk is now very clean and tidy and organised. And then this side here, I still need to do a little bit more organisation, but we're getting there and at least the sides are clear. And the rascog that you just saw, I haven't finished it because I've still got some empty like buckets there and there to use. But this is going to be my like journaling. This my project life cards. I have these are Tim Holtz letters there. I've got project life cards in the top, small ones and big ones. And then I'm going to put a few different washi tapes in here. Round here I have all of my journal pens, just here, all my journal pens, and I'm going to put my highlighters in the next pot. And then down here we've got these are like perspexy sort of, or perspex, I don't know what you call them, little things that say different things. Then we've got clips, paper clips, funny paper, nice, oh, Charles, hello. And then we've got some cutouts, and these are like vellum wordy sort of things as well, which I've sat and cut up. Like, what's that? Life won't sparkle unless you do. And then I've got sticker pads here at the back here. And then down here, I've got my, in fact, they could go in one of the pots, the highlighters. So I've got like sticky notes. These are stickers, like journal stickers. And then in here, I've got cutouts and bits and pieces I can use in my, you know, like, you know, TNs and things like that. So these are, you can use these things in, do you know, I think I may have had my finger over the microphone, so if I cut out, then I am so sorry. So yeah, these are things that you could use in junk journals, of course, but I just thought now I'm actually going to be more inclined to do some journaling. Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? Mint green as well, goes with all of my containers. So my craft room looks a lot better. I mean, yes, it is still crammed full, but at least it's a bit more organized and I feel much better. And Charles, look at all that. Stop scratching. You haven't got fleas. You don't go out. Wait, stop scratching. Stop scratching. So look, he has all that space. And now I can get in here and mess it all up again. Oh my gosh, I feel so much better. That was a workout as well. So we've done a couple of hours actually in here. And then I can come in and mess it up tomorrow. Oh, I just love it when it is this tidy. And I feel like I've got space to move. Oh, it feels lovely. I feel like I'm in my element. That is so therapeutic. I feel so much better now. I can feel happy crafter. Happy crafter. Okay, so I hope this has inspired you to tidy up your craft space if you need to. You might have a very tidy one. Mine was a very messy one. So we're going to go now, aren't we, Charles? I really need a really lovely cup of tea. And then we can come and do some crafting later, can't we? Yes, do you fancy that? Okay. Nope. Nope. Oh. Okay, everyone. I shall see you all very soon. Take care. Love you. Bye.